Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So today I want to go ahead and get started with my summer flowers, my summer bulbs and roots. I want to go ahead and start prepping these. So this year I want to grow some dahlias. I want to try some begonias, pendula yellow begonias, this, and then hollyhocks. I haven't grown the hollyhocks or the begonias before, but I want to go ahead and just try them. So I bought these bulbs and roots today. I've grown these dahlias before. I liked them, so I want to go ahead and repeat these three. So this is the Kelvin floodlight. It's a very big yellow, very pretty dahlia. And then this is the Pacific Ocean. It's an yellow and orange dahlia, very pretty as well. And then I think the Duet has been my best performing dahlia for the past few years. So I want to try that again. For the begonias, I got the pendula yellow. So there are 3 bulbs in here. It's a trailing variety. So I want to try them on my window boxes. And then the hollyhocks, I haven't grown these before, but I got this because they're very tall. I think they're they're supposed to be at least, I need to focus. They're 4 to 6 feet, if you can see right there. So they grow really, 46 to 72 inches, so 4 to 6 feet. So they grow really tall, and I think they're very pretty, but I want to try them. I've never grown them before. So the thing is with these bulbs, I got this from Walmart. Most of the time you don't know when they were harvested. They might not be in great condition. So I want to take them out of these bags, and then I want to soak them overnight. And then once they're soaked, then tomorrow I'll go ahead and plant them in starter containers in small pots before I transfer them to the garden. For the dahlias in the past, I've always just planted them directly in the garden, but this year I haven't decided where I want to put these 3. So while I do that, I'll just have them growing in the pots until I figure out how I want my garden. What if I want to change any design or anything like that in the where I want them to be. I've already taken out some water in some plastic containers, and then so I'll take these bulbs out and put them in those containers and let them soak overnight, and then tomorrow we'll continue with planting them in the pots. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here they are. They'll stay here for the night. So that's the begonias, the bulbs, the hollyhocks roots, and the dahlia bulbs. So that's the Duet, the yellow Kelvin floodlight, and then this is the Pacific Ocean. So I'll let them sit here overnight, and then tomorrow I'll plant them. Okay, So I'll pause right here and we'll be back for the planting. Okay, I've put them in the rain. So those are the Hollyhocks right there, the Begonias, and the Dahlias. So I'll let them sit out here for a few hours and then I'll bring them on the patio. So they'll stay on the patio until they sprout. Okay? Alright, I'll stop this video right here. Maybe I might come back in a few days to do an update to see how they're sprouting. But if I don't come back, thank you so much for your attention, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Okay, it's been a few weeks since I started these summer bulbs. So that's the Dahlia duet. It's sprouted well. I need to water that. This is the Pacific. It's also sprouted. This is the Kelvin, the yellow Kelvin floodlight, the yellow one. This is the other Kelvin. This is another duet, but it hasn't sprouted yet. I'm hoping the tubers are not rotten. And this is the other Pacific. So the Pacific is the peach, pink, and yellow one. So if it doesn't sprout, I at least have this one, the Pacific. Okay, and then on the Hollyhocks, all of them sprouted. So this is the yellow one. This is the other yellow, the red, this is the other red, and the pink. That's the pink. This is the other pink. So the Begonias, the Begonias take time. This one has sprouted, the others haven't yet. It's been 4 weeks. It should take 4 to 6 weeks. So I'm just hoping the bulbs didn't die in there. But this is how they're looking like right now. I left them outside. I left all these containers outside, for the past 4 weeks. So, and we had a freeze a couple of nights, so I'm hoping that didn't kill the Begonias. But then we also it's also been a very warm, after the freeze it got very hot, so I don't know, that change in temperature, who knows what could have happened. Anyhow, I want to go ahead and plant the Hollyhocks and the Dahlias that have already sprouted. So for the Hollyhocks, since they grow really tall, I'll put them in the middle of this, the middle of my island bed. So I'll plant the 3 colors together, and it will be in between this holly. This is an Auckland holly, and this Eden climbing rose. So I'll put this set right here, put another set right there, and then for my Dahlias, I'll put them, I've already placed the tomato cages where I'll plant them. These Dahlias grow big and they need a lot of support, so I'll sprinkle them around the garden and So this is where they'll go. So there'll be one there, two here flanking this. This is an oak leaf hydrangea. So I'll put a dahlia on each side. There'll be another one that I'll put here in front of this sunshine ligustrum. And then the last two I'll put here, again in front of this sunshine ligustrum. And the last one I'll put in front of this oak leaf holly. So it will go right there. And then the begonias, the plan is for the begonias to go in my, because these begonias are trailing begonias. So I'll put them in my container window boxes. This is where they'll go. The other three are right there. So I'll plant them here. Sorry, the dog is barking. I'll plant them here, and hopefully the begonias didn't die. I really want those begonias, but they'll be in the same container as this petunias and the petcoas. So that's a petcoa, and the rest are petunias from years ago. Okay, so I'll stop this video right here. I just wanted to show my process of how I pre-sprouted these bulbs and tubers. I'm hoping that something still sprouts from them. I'll go ahead and plant them and let them be. They'll do what they want, but I'll go ahead and plant these. Okay. All right. I'll stop this video right here. And thank you so much for watching. I'll come back once things have been planted. I'll come back and show you how they look like when I do the spring tour. Okay, thank you for watching. I will catch you all on the next one. Thanks. Bye.